and I'm going to show you how to change a chain and a sprocket on a sport bike. All right, now that the bike's straight up, we want to remove the axle. So what we got to do is release these chain tensioners, keeps the chain tight, that way we can get the axle out. You want to make sure to get the right size so you don't strip the bolts, because then you can't tighten the chain. All right, a 12 millimeter fits the thing perfect. You want to make sure you have a perfect fit on there, because you don't want to strip any of these nuts on here, because then tightening it back up is going to be a lot harder. Just back this bolt off like that, then screw this one in. And the space between the axle and the tensioner gets bigger. So now we need to remove this clip so we can take the axle bolt off. You just want to bend this down. And then hit it out like this. Now you want to remove this axle bolt. You can use a crescent wrench, just an adjustable one. Spin it to the left. All right, now just spin this to the left. All right, remove the bolt. All right, now you just take a hammer, slowly knock the axle out. Come to this side and just pull it out. When you pull this out, your wheels are going to drop down. Okay, so now the axle's removed. Go ahead and just set that to the side.